In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify password, a straightforward yet important task that helps keep your account secure. Changing your password every once in a while is crucial in maintaining the safety of your online store, especially in such a fast-paced digital environment where security threats are evolving every day. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Shopify platform by logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your dashboard where you can manage all the aspects of your online store. From here, look for the section labeled My Store on the left-hand side. It's important to ensure you're starting from this main page to follow the steps smoothly. Next, you'll want to click on My Store. This will take you to another page that specifically gives you more detailed options about your current store setup. It's like entering the control room where all the magic happens. Now, since you likely have multiple shops or projects, there will be a list where you need to select your specific store. So, find your store within that list and click on it. Clicking here allows you to manage the settings that pertain to that particular store alone. Now that you're inside the store-specific settings, look for an option labeled Security. This step is crucial because it deals with all aspects of secure access to your account. Clicking on this option will guide you to the area where you can tweak how logins and security measures are handled. Essentially, it's your go-to for ensuring your store is protected. Once in the security section, you'll see an option for Password. This is where Shopify allows you to update your login credentials to keep them fresh and secure. Click on Password, which will prompt you to enter your current password and then type in your new one. At this point, Shopify will guide you through choosing a strong, secure password. Remember, it's always a good idea to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to strengthen the security of your new password. After you've input and confirmed your new password, make sure to save your changes. Doing so will guarantee that your old password is replaced with the new one, effectively updating your credentials. And just like that, you have successfully changed your Shopify password. By following these steps, you're ensuring the safety of your store and peace of mind as you continue to manage your online business. Remember, it's always a good habit to change your password regularly and keep it private. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.